Alright, a couple months ago on my way back home from from Wyoming rather, excuse me, my oil sending unit or oil pressure switch went out on the side. I was going down the interstate and I pulled off at a rest stop and I was just blowing oil all out the bottom of the motor. It was just running out like you were pouring it out of the engine. And I got towed to my cousin's house. He came pick me up to where I was headed. I was in Texas. So I got the part ordered, I've got it in. I fixed the old part so that I was able to travel back from Texas to Tennessee. That was 800 miles the way it was, and I'll show you how I modified it when I get the old piece out. But some of you wanted to see the part, where it was at, so here's a video showing how to replace it. I'm not going to bore you with taking everything off here because you should know how to do that. So let's continue on. Okay, now we've got everything tore apart. Now one thing you do have to do is you have to pull the injector bodies out to pull the air box out, but don't let that intimidate you. If I can do it on the side of the interstate, actually on a rest stop, anybody can do it. And that's the reason that you always work on your bike with the tools that are in your tool roll, because that way you know you have what you need to do any repair job outside of a major issue that you could do when you're traveling around the trails riding. So now let me show you what it is, where the oil sending unit is, and where you have to replace it at. Alright, right here is the piece we want to replace. It's got a wire going to it which sends the information to the computer. I've already loosened it. And that's the bad boy. Now all I did was, if you take some liquid nail or some other type of hard forming putty, epoxy might work, fill this hole full of it, pack it in there. That keeps the oil from going into the unit and will keep the unit from leaking oil. So you can see here's a new one. It's got the hole in it. I just filled the old one up. And you just screw the new one in place and you're on your way. Hope this helps you out. See y'all on the trails. Later.